what's up, people? Welcome back to the new episode for Voice of Voicelessness. I am your host, your behavioral coach Puneet. In this episode, I'm going to bring across 5 basic points for new pet owners to identify, to get, and to initiate a new pup, a new family member. So, without wasting any more time, let's just start. Point 1. So, guys, I have seen that a lot of pet owners bring in a puppy at a very young time from his birth. So, understand one thing, that a puppy has to have at least bare minimum 8 weeks of mother's feed. It is crucial, it is important. It is not just important in dogs, but all animals including human beings require their mother's feed for the initial nutrients for the perfect push towards a good and healthy life. Do not get him before 8 weeks. Generally, breeders want to give off the pet in 6 weeks because they want to make that money faster. And the moment the puppies are gone, the mother stops creating milk and can get into heat faster. This is a big thing with breeders. Do not fall for that. 8 weeks. That is most important. Okay, so point number 2. Understand that when you pick up your new pup from a breeder or from anywhere, just directly take him to a vet. There are certain illnesses in pups which can come. So understand, it can be acne. It can be any skin related dermatological issue. A lot of people do not know, but for pups, a parvovirus is a big threat. Okay, understand that parvovirus is deadly. It can claim a puppy's life in less than 3 to 4 days, and from 4 weeks, or rather from birth to 6 months, is the time when dogs are most susceptible to this disease. Furthermore, there are 4 more diseases which a veterinarian will be able to explain better. Take your pup to the vet. So, third point. Like human babies, dogs, puppies also drop their milk teeth. Don't get worried about this. Even most of the time you won't even get to know. Oh, but this is very natural. Get them chew toys. It helps them because, like human babies, it is very irritating. It itches a lot. So just get them those toys. It will help a lot. Fourth, what to feed a new puppy once you brought him home. So generally you start with Cerelac. This will go on for a month and a half after you bought him. If you have taken my first point in consideration, that is 8 weeks. So generally after 3.5 months, you can start off with dog food. After the vaccinations are completed, please take suggestions from the vet in this also. Okay. Fifth. So a lot of pet owners have asked me what is the appropriate time to start training your dog. So understand one thing, that you can start conditioning your pup from early on. One thing which is most important is to condition him to a particular sound. Like for my dogs, I simply have trained them from day 1 to listen to a particular sound that I make. If the sound goes something like this, A. Now I have conditioned them where the sound that I make is and that is enough. So that is the first lesson that you need to give. That no, A, that something that they can refer to that stops them from doing something that you don't want them to do. That can be the first lesson. That is where you can start from, and then you can start training, bringing in the food scenario, taking them for walks. From initial times, teach your dog not to pull on the leash. Training can be as extensive as you want it, or as limited as you want it. You can start at as soon as 9 weeks to 10 weeks from birth. So, like I started training my dogs not to pee on the floor from 4 weeks. So guys, these are my five mantras to a happy puppy. Hey, enjoy your puppy. Puppies are adorably cute, and do not worry too much. Initial months or weeks with the puppy are all about cuddling and playing. Do not trample them too much with discipline, otherwise they will lose their spirit. But do not give in to every little tantrum of theirs, then they will be spoiled. Right. Enjoy your puppy. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Maintain social distancing. Stay indoors. This is not just important for you, it's also important for your puppy. Please like, share and subscribe. You guys are not doing that. I am not getting enough views. This is not done. I suppose अब क्या होगा? ये बोला तूने और करा दिया. चुप बैठे थे. एक चिड़िया बोल रही थी, तूने सबसे बुलवा दिया. Fourth. So who's Thank you.